everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete everything on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and you can see in this chart I have drew a lots of line over here, and you know that I can't even delete one by one because it will be time consuming. So what we simply can do is you can see the delete option at the bottom left corner. So once you move over there, you can see the remove option. You simply need to click over there, and now you can see three options. You can see remove 6 draws and 0 indicators. You need to click on that option and you will be able to delete everything successfully. So basically this is how you can delete everything on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.